好, I'm Qimei. Welcome to Qimei Mandarin. Today, let's continue to talk about why Chinese is not hard to learn. So today, let's talk about how we build Chinese phrase logically based on one single word. Let's look at the first example. As you know, 电 means electricity, and 脑 means brain. So when we put these two words together, become electronical brain. Actually, it means computer. Electronical brain means computer. And another one, we say, so 话 means speaking, talking. And when you add a 电 together, 电话 means telephone. And based on 电, we also can create another word. We say 电视. So 视 means view. So electronical view means television. Is that very logical? And the last one, we can create 电影. 影 means shadow. So electronical shadow. Can you guess what's this meaning? Okay, it means movie. So based on 电, we create different new phrase, and all these phrases, the meaning, they are all use electricity, right? So even you don't know the second word, but when you see 电 in the phrase, you say, oh, actually this meaning must be related to electricity. Right, so it's easy for you to guess the meaning and to remember the phrase. And another one, how about the 车? 车 so means vehicle. So we will say in Chinese, so based on 车, we can build so many different names for vehicle. For example, you say 汽车, it's car. Truck, 卡车 means truck. 摩托车 means motorbike. 火车 means train. 自行车 means bicycle. 救护车 means ambulance. 公共汽车 means bus. So all these phrases, they all have a 车 in it. So you will know all these phrase meaning, they all related to vehicle, right? But in English, you say car, truck, train, ambulance, bus. You have no idea. Are they related to vehicle? If you don't know English, you don't know it, right? So Chinese have very strong ability to create new words, new phrase. And let's look at more examples. Like 机 means machine. And 手 means hand machine. So hand machine, what's that? Actually, it's mobile phone, right? Hand machine. And fly is 飞. So 飞机, fly machine means airplane. Okay, how about another single word? 酒. 酒 means alcohol. So we say 红, so we can build different type of alcohols like 白酒. This is the Chinese very strong rice alcohol. We call it 白酒. 白 means white. 红酒, red wine. 葡萄酒, grape wine. 啤酒, beer. 香槟酒, champagne. And let's look at the last example. Another example is 肉. 肉 means meat. Then we can create pork, 猪肉, beef, 牛肉. Lamb, we say 羊肉. Chicken meat, we say 鸡肉. Duck meat, we say 鸭肉. Right? They all have row inside the phrase. So it's easy for you to remember those phrases. And the last example, I would like to share a funny phrase. So when you wash your hands in the kitchen or in the bathroom, they always have a pipe, right, on the sink. The pipe usually have a long neck and look like a dragon head, right? You think about it look like a dragon's head, and the water come out from the dragon head. So how we call that thing, the pipe, in Chinese? Actually, we just call it 水, water come off from the dragon head. So we say 水, dragon is a long, and 头 means head. 水龙头 means the pipe. Is that very logical and funny, right? Okay, so hope you have learned something from me today. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time. 再见. And if you have any questions or difficulties about learning Chinese, please email me. I will always help you out. And also, I post some pictures about Chinese, about my traveling, so on my other social media. So you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram, Twitter. They are all on the 奇美 Mandarin. See you next time. 再见.